Want to take control of your journeys with Apple Maps? Let's learn how to create custom routes in just a few steps. First, open the Apple Maps app. Next, type in where you want to go. You can either type in the specific name of a place or a theme like cafe, and see all cafes nearby. Apple Maps will create a default route, but we can customize it. If you're using the driving mode, you can tap the Add Stop button to add a stop in between. You can also reorder them to customize your route further. Now Apple Maps will automatically optimize your route based on your preferences. You can change the date and time when you leave. You can also customize to avoid tolls or to avoid motorways. If you're using the walking mode, you can avoid hills or busy roads. Or if you'd like to, you can create a fully customized route by adding points to your map. You can also close the loop if you'd like. If you're using public transport, you can select which one you'd like to prefer and when you'd like to leave. Now simply click on Go and follow your route.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. For more tips and tutorials,